This is FitAir, and I'd like to show you how it works because I think it's an absolute little gem. It is a rechargeable device that runs off essential oil in a bottle. So let me show you starting. This is where you would charge it up. There's a little charger. I have plugged my charger in. So let me show you how it get the lead the right way around, and then that shows you that the unit is charging. Usually takes about 3 hours to charge. Now I'm charging mine on the mains here, but the cord can also be charged from your computer, so you can charge it up from a computer. And as soon as it is charged, the light will turn from red to green, so you know you're ready to go. Okay, so charger and UK plug is all supplied. First of all, I'll tell you that we will supply an essential oil bottle inside. The base just twists off like that, and that's where you see the bottle. Now, it's a spill-proof bottle, and we supply it with 2 of these ring washers. So we'll supply the bottle, you put the essential oil that you like into the bottle, use the washer, screw it up into the unit, and then just put the base on back like that. Okay, now to turn the unit on, yeah, you've put the little black switch there, but let me show you the different operating modes. This one, it's currently, that light is flashing on and off. That means it's on a pause phase. So we've got 3 intensities for the oil to be diffused into the air. So currently you'll see that the mode is on 1. That's on the very lightest. That just leaves little plumes of fragrance into the air. So by changing pressing the mode button, you can go from light to medium to really intense. So if you really want to blast that essential oil into the air and really get it working, whether or not you're focusing on relaxation, concentration, or whether or not you're taking it to a loved one while they're in hospital, you know, it really is potent and a great way to deliver the healing properties of essential oils. So I'm going to just put that down to the lowest one at the minute because it is really strong. You've also got a little timer here. So I've currently set this to work for an hour. It can go an hour, for 2 hours, 4 hours. If you don't set anything, it will run all day. It will run for 24 hours and then switch off.